Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll.
My God, imagine getting KO'd by a fish. You're so dog water. I'm joking. Shut up. Yeah, but I just want to... people in the comments of this video were saying this as well. Like, instead of recording the video, like, his friends were just watching him fall to the bottom of the tank. Like, the tank's only 3 foot tall. You could have just grabbed his hand and pulled him out. I swear, though, if that man's can get clapped by a fish that hard, his anthem must be this song.